The body of knowledge is one of the things that's most talked about and most neglected. Body of knowledge of an organization, even of a single person, is very special, unique, and different. An individual leaves an organization and a piece of its body of knowledge walks out. Body of knowledge is not things in a file drawer. Body of knowledge is what the organization as an organization knows. And you'll find very few organizations that systematically document, record, analyze, iterate, broadcast, publish, and recreate their body of knowledge. And so that is a system within a system, which is very important. The glyph that we use for this is the torch. And think about it. This is the torch. This is the Olympic torch of the mind of the organization. And the torch, historically, through time, stood for certain things in the mind of civilization. And so we use the torch glyph for the body of knowledge, and the suggestion is that the body of knowledge has to be there in every piece of work, and it then has to be remembered out of every piece of work, and it has to be recalled, and it has to be reused. And that is what does not happen in a typical organization. We now have our computers, we now have our databases. Data is not knowledge. Data, chunked and organized, is information. Information with a context, in action, at the moment of action, is knowledge of. And the minute you stop action, the feedback leaves, and you only have knowledge about, memory. So, knowledge, the, quote, management, not in the traditional sense, but the manus, hand, the bringing the hand of knowledge into the organization as a continuous growing feedback loop is what we have to do with all our organizations. Is that good enough?